Need to pass the police psych exam? You found the right video. Hello, I'm Sergeant George Godoy, and today we'll explore the psychological exam, one of the final and most misunderstood steps in the police hiring process. The police psych exam is a screening designed to evaluate whether you have the mental and emotional traits needed to handle the unique demands of law enforcement. Agencies use it to determine if you can manage stress, exercise sound judgment, and interact appropriately with the public, all while carrying a badge and a firearm. Because of the cost involved, the psych exam is typically given near the end of the hiring process, after you've already passed your written test, physical, background investigation, and polygraph. It can easily take over an hour and consists of two main components: written psychological tests and a face-to-face interview with a licensed psychologist. The written portion may include standardized assessments that measure personality traits like emotional stability, conscientiousness, openness, agreeableness, and extroversion. These tests help the psychologist identify candidates who are well-suited and screen out those who may pose a risk to themselves, the public, or the agency. The oral interview is where many candidates run into trouble. The psychologist will ask about your background, your motivations for entering law enforcement, how you handle stress, and situations from your personal life. Their job is not to find out if you're perfect, it's to assess whether you're suitable. Here are the most important things to keep in mind. First, be honest and consistent. Anything in your background investigation is fair game. Don't contradict what you've already provided on your application. Second, don't try to outsmart the test. Candidates who try to game psychological assessments often appear evasive or unstable. Answer authentically. Third, know what they're looking for. Psychologists want to see candidates who are emotionally stable, self-aware, and motivated by service, not ego, power, or excitement. The psych exam disqualifies between 15 and 20% of candidates who make it this far. That's not because those candidates are bad people. It's because they weren't prepared and didn't understand what the psychologist was really evaluating. Don't let the psych exam end your law enforcement career at the finish line. Get my Mastering the Psych Exam course with in-depth video tutorials covering exactly what to expect, how to answer sensitive questions, and how to present yourself with confidence. Click the link to get started. There's also a link in the description and in the comments